Is that we got a car from Netherlands. हमने एक BMW हायर करी है. And अब हम ड्राइव कर रहे हैं of course road trip पे. It's the first time I'm driving in Europe. ये बोलना नहीं है vlog.
Oh, this is so means we're gonna die. Oh, jeez, this is the first time she's driving in Europe.
Sanskriti, what's the plan? What are we going to do today?
She's gonna say we're gonna burn.
We are going to
Burn.
No, I'm not burning.
and then we are gonna discover other places, maybe till Freisberg. So I'm just excited.
Busaya, you're gonna burn? Busaya, you're gonna burn?
I'm not going
No,
to
he's gonna
burn.
Facebook.
I'm not going to burn. I'm not going to the Black Forest. But we are leaving a
Why do you not want to go to the Black Forest? You racist, Busai.
I don't want to go to the
How
Black
can you say
Forest.
that?
Black Forest is exactly where serial killers
Busai or
live.
Black Forest matter hashtag.
It's freaking where people
Guys,
go
no
missing.
racism, please.
It's freaking where people go missing. Why not White Forest?
We are going to
Why
go
not?
to the
Now
Black
you want to
Forest
go to
and
the
have
White
Black
Forest.
Forest.
Busai?
Wow, because
I think the coming to the Netherlands have changed you.
well, it has.
Mm.
I mean, I'm now Dutch. Now I don't have this boat.
He is like a
I don't like good food as well. And I love bread and cheese.
he's like Bounty chocolate. He's dark from the outside but Dutch from the inside. So well, we are stuck, and this is what Busayu has to say about it.
Traffic jam in Europe.
What do you have to say, Ayush?
I'm surprised actually, but okay, it's interesting. इसने मेरे को घर I kind of remembered of India.
Okay.
Really, the stars.
Yeah. It is kind of like India.
It reminds me of Lagos. Like I'm having PTSD right now.
Yeah. You see, every country has that problem.
Hey, welcome everybody. Finally we're in Germany. We have crossed border and parked the car. Now waiting the restroom, of course, because किसी को जोर से लगी है.
Tumko?
Busayo, he's Busayo, of course. Yeah.
So
Can't
we are
understand.
we're in a city called
Bonn.
Bonn.
That's easy.
Okay, Bonn.
Look at this, it's so beautiful.
Oh, I thought it's
man.
one
Wow.
And the best part of Bonn is that it's situated by this beautiful river. The name of the river is the Rhine, and it's huge.
Yeah. But then we've got a waterfall also in Rhine that we need to see.
Oh.
Yeah, it's
Oh yeah, exactly. And this river kind of leads to a waterfall, which is also known as Rhine waterfall. Very creative. But we're gonna visit Black Forest tomorrow. So the plan is to stay here tonight, visit Black Forest tomorrow, and then on the third day we're gonna go to Switzerland.
Switzerland! Zurich.
Not Zurich maybe, but yeah.
Let me take you to the Indian place.
I see vegetarian meal, a curry meal.
Oh yeah, ये तो हिंदुस्तानी नहीं है. ये तो गोरे yeah. And we've just ordered chicken burger. Let's see how it is. On the blogs it said it's really cool and really good and really photogenic. But we're gonna give you the real picture, man. The real.
So we're waiting for the food right now.
Yeah, he's just
And-
bring it us outside the window. It's nice.
What is the home that you guys started with? I'm wondering, what is the home about?
After they added a full chicken. That's a good part.
Yeah.
But taste wise, of course, it's less spicy.
That's really nice.
But good.
Actually nice.
मेरी कोई फीलिंग्स नहीं है.
करो कि मर जाऊं.
थोड़ा कुत्ता टॉमी सदा
सदा कुत्ता कुत्ता टंग टड़ंग टड़ंग टड़ंग.
Car on the left, guys. Car on the left.
Huh?
Car on the left.
I got it.
And then there we landed in this village, which is really like a valley surrounded by these beautiful hills here. And then we stopped the car abruptly on the main highway only because we saw this. And this is so beautiful. This is just next level. मुझे ले ले यार. अरे भाई गाड़ी टूटेगी. ये सब नहीं करना मेरा, पागल है. मैं मजाक में कह रहा हूँ.
गुरु तू तो मेरी तरफ क्यों मुड़ा? तो गाड़ी चलाना अपने ढंग से. देखो
भाई 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 भाई, ये तो मसूरी की पहाड़ियाँ हैं.
मैं कह रही थी मतलब यहाँ से.
अच्छा yeah, now we got.
That's why I was telling you not to take this route because it's too sharp turns.
तूने रूट देखा भी नहीं था. 2 किलोमीटर.
Let me see some of
Hey guys,
Sam's-
oh, some of what?
some of Sam's water.
We stopped here, and this is so cool, mega.
I'm wearing my shoes, guys. You kept.
यार कहीं जंगल में संस्कृति गायब हो गई थी, बट अब मिल तो गई है. लेट्स सी व्यू कैसा है. ओ भाई साहब, यार बारिश से आ रही है यहाँ पे संस्कृति थोड़ी.
बारिश नहीं आ रही है ऊपर के पेड़ पे.
Holy damn, I didn't see this.
Went there and there's a tree house there on the left side.
वो बादल तो है ही. So guys, here's the room for tonight. Sanskriti, how did you like it?
Oh, come here. It's amazing.
Yeah, is it? God bless.
Look at the view.
You
Like,
fucking
so
Christ, I didn't see this.
Yeah, and we have got a garden. Did you show them the garden?
I didn't. Where is it? Outside? I haven't seen the house actually. Another bed? Oh, Sal, how excited are you about the washroom? How is it? Can you show it to us? Yeah! Oh, there's no bathtub. Fuck. But it's fine. I think we can.
It's not like you were gonna use it.
Kitchen. We have a kitchen. Oh man. We have traveled Bonn and now we are staying in this place, which is up an hour away from Bonn. We've seen a nice castle on the way and clicked some really nice pictures. So tomorrow we're really excited to go into the Black Forest to eat black forest cake, to see the biggest waterfall in this region, and a couple of other excursions. So tomorrow's gonna be a really exciting day, really tiring day. So tonight I think we're gonna just rest.